Yo, what is happening, everybody? It is Bro Daddy here, and we are back in action picking out a drawing request, and this one comes in the form of a VMAX Pokemon. So our friend Ish has asked us to draw his beloved protected Duraludon. So we are going to make an amazing drawing for Ish. So let's get into the creation station and check it out! Okay, so before we get started with this drawing, I just want to point out that it's really going to be a hard one to follow. The picture is very strange. It's like the Pokemon is like a very oddly shaped skyscraper that I don't know how it evolved into this. It reminds me of the Tom Hanks movie Big from the 1980s, where he was a kid, but he was an adult, and he was testing out toys, and they made a skyscraper toy, and he said, it's just a building. I don't get it. And they all made fun of him and said, I don't get it. Well, I don't get this, but he kind of looks like an escalator, and then there's like some smoke going around the building. I guess it's firing out of him, or some lightning bolts, or something flying through the air. Anyway, the card looks pretty cool. You know, they make the artwork pretty crazy, but this is your Duraludon VMAX. It's like a behemoth dinosaur of a building. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, and like and subscribe for more action. We'll see you in the next video.